Hi, this is Venkatesh. In this video, I'll explain how to display factors of a given number in a Python. Program to display factors of a given number. First of all, we have to accept one number. Accepting a number, first we need input function. Input function here, enter any number. Enter any number. Whatever you enter, the number received by input function in string format. String format to integer format we have to convert. For that we use into function. Into function converts string format to integer format. After converting the value, we have to store in a one variable, example a. Value stored in a. Now we have to find out factors of this number. Assume you entered 5. Assume you entered 5. 5 factors we have to find out. 1 to 5. One number we have to take. Whether it is factor or not, we have to check. If it is factor, we have to display on monitor. Suppose example, I'll start with 1. Now I'll start with 1 here. 1 5 ja 5. 1 5 ja 5. 1 5 ja 5. Remainder 0. Remainder 0. So remainder is 0. 0 now 1 is a factor of 5. Suppose second one 2 I'll take. 2. 2 2 ja 4. 2 2 ja 4. Remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. That means 2 is not a factor of 5. 1 is a factor of 5. 2 is not a factor of 5. Like this process we have to continue up to 5. 1 to given number we have to continue. If the remainder is 0, we have to display it is a factor. Okay, we have to display. If the remainder is other than 0, we should not display. Like this we have to continue. Now like remainder purpose we require modulo division operator. Modulo division operator. Modulo division operator. This modulo division operator returns remainder. After getting remainder, that is 0 or not, we have to check. For that, equals operator we have to use. Equals operator. It is a relational operator like a two equal symbols. This is for remainder, for getting remainder. After getting remainder, whether it is 0 or not, we have to check. For that, this operator. These two operators we are going to use. Okay. Now I'll show you in a program. Here 1 to given number, that's what we required on loop, either while loop or for loop you can take. Suppose I'll take while loop, I equal to 1 while I less than or equal to a. I less than or equal to a. This is while loop. Whenever this condition is true, it will enter into loop. Whenever this condition is false, it is terminated. Okay. First of all, I value 1, I less than or equal to a, 1 less than or equal to a. If it is true, it will enter into loop. Here, if a percentile I, it returns remainder. The remainder, whether it is 0 or not, it will check. If it is 0, print I. It will print I. That is factor. Like this loop should be continued. So I equal to I plus 1. This is only in another way we can write I plus equal to 1. It is called arithmetic assignment operator. You can write like this also. Instead of writing I equal to I plus 1, I plus equal to 1 also you can write. This meaning also I equal to I plus 1 only. Now first of all, the number accepted, that is stored in A. 1 less than or equal to A, true. If it is true, it will enter. Again it will check A percentile I double equal to 0. If it is true, it will print. Like this, I value incremented by 1. This loop will be continued until that condition becomes false. Like this, it will check the factor or not. If it is factor, prints. This program I am going to execute. I'll show you output. Say okay. Enter any number. Suppose I'll enter 6. 6 factors: 1, 2, 3 and 6. These all factors of 6. Same program I'll execute once again. Now enter any number 25. So 1, 5 and 25, these are factors of 25. Like this, any number you can enter. Suppose 567. Say 1, 3, 7, 9, 21, 27, 63, 81, 189, 567. These all factors of 567. This is a program to display factors of given number in a Python. For more information, you visit my blogs Java by Venkatesh Mansani .blogspot.com. One more, Python by Venkatesh Mansani .blogspot.com.